Alright guys, so I didn't quite finish. This is how far I got. I got the M done and then a few other lines right here, and then I got the 110 done up there. And then I still gotta do the whole blue around it and then finish filling in all the letters and then do all the stripes. Because it's supposed to look like that. But I'm actually really happy with how far I got tonight because I also got the back done here too. It was actually a lot more time consuming than I thought, but then again, doing all those little letters and the little numbers and all the stripes and all the trimming, it's a process, a long one too. So I'll get that finished up tomorrow after work, and then probably and then I gotta move over here and tape that off too on both sides, and then I can start getting it all prepped and everything for paint. And then that's just the black, and then I gotta take all the tape off, and then I gotta paint either the silver chrome or the blue. So there's a lot more taping. This is only the start, but hopefully it's all worth it in the end. So till tomorrow, guys. Alright guys, so I finally just finished taping off the cover here, and that was the one side that I still had left that I just finished, and here's how it looks. This side looks better because it's all blue, but that was a lot more difficult, and I found thinner tape for this side, so it wasn't as bad because I have to cut up a thick piece of tape to make it fit the small spots. But yep, it's finally all taped off. I think it looks really nice. At least ready to be painted. It was a lot of work, but I just gotta go over here now and put a little bit of tape over this sticker and the one on this side too, and then pretty much just clean it all up. And then this is ready to be scuffed up now. And then after I tape those off, I'm gonna scuff up that whole thing. And then, yeah, okay, that's aluminum too. That's plastic. I think most of it's aluminum. This might be like the only plastic thing. At least it feels plastic. The rest of it's aluminum, I'd assume. And then the cover is obviously aluminum or whatever. And then this thing too. So I'm have it like all taped off, and I'm gonna paint the whole thing with the cover on it too, and do it all in one go. So hopefully I have enough paint for that. I got 2 cans, so I'd imagine that's enough, but we'll just see how it goes. So that's the progress. Until tomorrow, I'll get the rest of that stuff done, and then we'll see when I end up painting it, because I'm gonna need open area so that I don't get overspray on everything. It would be nice to have a stand for my boat motor, but can't think of anything that I could use as a stand. I don't know. I'll look around to see if I can't find something to set this on while I paint it. But then again, if I set it on something, it might be hard to get on the back right here. So, I'm not sure. So we'll see. But definitely gonna be scuffing it up tomorrow night and try and get all that done, and then it's just ready for paint. I want to get all these scratches out and smoothen down so that you can't feel them, because you can feel all of them, and it's pretty rough, especially right here. So as long as I can get all this scuffed and hopefully start on this. I don't know, I probably won't get it all scuffed and ready for paint tomorrow, but as long as I have it painted by the end of the week. It's only Monday, so if I could have it ready to be painted on Wednesday or something, that would be awesome. And then also an update, I think most of my parts will be here this week for this motor down here. the second motor. I know pretty much everything except the water impeller, the water pump impeller, that little rubber star wheel, will be here this week. So I definitely gotta get like all this prepped tomorrow. Pretty much would be nice. And I'm just gonna prep it with probably just some sandpaper or something. Maybe go and get a surface pad like a DA and sand it. That would actually probably be best to go a lot faster. Because later this week or maybe this weekend, I definitely want to sandblast that other stuff and do a real nice paint job on the rest of that. One that's going to be more permanent on that other motor. But I'm just cleaning up this motor for now, just to make it look nice and making it look like new again. So till tomorrow when I scuff it up and try and get it ready for paint, I will see you then. Alright guys, so here it is. I got the hood for the motor all sanded and prepped here. What I did was I took some sandpaper and just went over this real carefully, and it actually didn't take much of the paint or much of the tape up, and just gave it a light scuff so that it didn't take any of the paint off and mess any of it up. So it looks pretty good there. Now I just got wax and grease to remove it when it's ready. And then now over here to the motor itself. So the sticker right here on the side actually went all the way to the back, and it was kind of peeling right here. And this one, it was actually getting pretty bad all around there. So I figured when I'm taping it off, I'd have to be really careful, and because I want it to match. So I just decided to cut the whole back part of the sticker off and just leave this part of it. Hopefully it doesn't look too weird. Then again, don't really care. That's just how it's gonna be. Best I can do really. And it's got this little sticker on the back that I didn't know of, but shouldn't be too bad to just tape that off. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it up because something was leaking. I think it might have been gas from when it was flooded or something. I don't know. It's kind of greasy and stuff up here from years of use. So anyways, I'm gonna get it cleaned up, and then it's getting pretty late. I realize I would like to get it sanded tonight, but I think it might be too late for that because I got work all week. So for sure want to get it cleaned up and then tape off these 3 stickers, and then just keep going at it tomorrow then. So there's you guys' update. The hood's all done, and this was probably the hardest part. And I don't think this will take too long to get scuffed up and sanded. So yeah, especially with the DA, if I can use it tomorrow night. I know my dad's probably gonna want it. So sucks that I couldn't get this sanded, but I'm just happy that I got the hood done. So I'll get this done hopefully tomorrow, and then we'll be painting real soon here, guys. Just stay tuned.